Namaste everyone, welcome to Shloka Chant with Eshu. Today we are doing Kala Bhairavashtakam. Before starting with the Kala Bhairavashtakam, please look into the pronunciation guide here. It has all the details, how the pronunciation, the lyrics that we follow here in this channel. So you will find the guide for that. Wherever you have find the letters in a bold, make sure you stress the letter. Wherever you find the line on the top of the letter, make sure you'll extend it. Then there are few letters which is in a capital like N, L and S. N and L, make sure your tongue tip has to reach upper palate like N, L, and for yes, it's a sh and sh. So the entire the detailed description is given in the picture next to this. So please look into that one and follow the pronunciation guide. So let's start with the Kala Bhairavashtakam. So as the stotra, the name of the stotra tells, this is dedicated to Kala Bhairava. Kala Bhairava is a form of a Shiva, so which represents the Kala, that is a time or a death. And Ashtakam, that means the Ashta means the 8, so this has a 8 stanza. So this is a 8 stanza composition for a Kala Bhairava, dedicated to Kala Bhairava, composed by Adi Shankaracharya. And in this video, we are not looking into the meaning, we are looking into the pronunciation and the chanting, the tune for this Kala Bhairavashtakam Stotram. So let's start with the first stanza of a Kala Bhairavashtakam. Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri, he stress, Pankajam. Second line, Vyala Yajna Sutramindu Shekharam, stress, Kripakaram. Naradadi Yogi Brinda or Yogi Vrinda, it can be br or a br. Vanditam Digambaram. Fourth line remains same in the every stanza except the last one. Kashika Puradhinata. Kashika Puradhinata. Kashika Pura plus Adhinata. Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Kala Bhairava Bhastras Bhaje Bhastras. So let's repeat the first stanza. Devaraja Sevyamana Pavanangri Pankajam Vyala Yajna Sutramindu Shekharam Kripakaram Naradadi Yogi Vrinda Vanditam Digambaram Kashika Puradhinata Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Let's go to the second stanza. I'll take it with the tune at the end. Bhanukoti, Bhastras. Bhaswaram, Bhastras. Bhavabdi, Bhastras. Bhavabdi Tarakam, Bhavabdi, Di also stress. Bhava plus Abdi. Bhavabdi Tarakam Param. Second line. Neelakantha, Tha stress. Mipsitartha, Mipsitartha, Tha stress. Dayakam Trilochanam. So entire line is a one single word. Neelakantha Mipsitartha Dayakam Trilochanam. Third line. Kala Kala Mambujaksha. Kala Kalam Ambujaksha. Kala Kala Mambujaksha. Aksha, you can see yes in a capital letter. Sh. So that is the sounding. Maksha Shula Maksharam. Maksha Shula Maksharam. So when you break the word, it will become Kala Kalam, Ambujaksha, Aksha, Shulam, Aksharam. But we are combining here, so Kala Kala, Mambujaksha, Maksha, Shula, Maksharam. Fourth line remains the same. We'll repeat. Bhanu Koti Bhaswaram, Bhavabdi Tarakam Param, Neelakanta Mipsitartha, Dayakam Trilochanam, Kala Kala Mambujaksha Maksha Shula Maksharam, Kashika Puradhinata Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. Let's go to the third stanza. Shula Tanka Pashadanda Pani, Pani, N is a capital, tongue tip has to upper palate, Pani, Madi, Karanam. So entire word is a one single word. शूलटङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणं. Second line, Shyamakaya Madideva, Shyamakaya Madideva Maksharam Niramayam. Shyamakaya Madideva Maksharam Niramayam. Third line, Bhima Vikramam, Bhima, Bhi stress, Prabhum, Bhu stress, Vichitra Tandava Priyam, Vichitra Tandava Priyam. Fourth line remains same. Shulat Tanka Pasha Danda Pani Madikaranam Shyamakaya Madideva Maksharam Niramayam Bhima Vikramam Prabhum Vichitra Tandava Priyam Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. So very purposefully I am making it fourth line little faster. So I hope you are getting comfortable now with the fourth line. We'll go with the fourth stanza. Bhukti Mukti Dayakam, Bhu stress, Bhukti Mukti Dayakam, Prashasta Charu Vigraham, Prashasta Charu Vigraham, Bhakta Vatsalam, Bha stress, Bhakta Vatsalam, Stitam. It can be Stitam or Stiram, both are equally right. So few handout it will say Stitam, few text it will say Stiram. We'll go with the Stitam. Sti needs to be stressed. Samasta Loka Vigraham. Third line, Vinikvanan. Again, few text will say Vinikvanan and few say Nikvanan. We'll go with Vinikvanan. Vinikvanan, nun. Like a nun. Your tongue tip as well as apapale. Vinikvanan, Manognya, Hema, Kinkini, tongue tip as well as apapale, ni. Lasat Katim. Fourth line same. We'll repeat from the beginning. Bhukti Mukti Dayakam, Prashasta Charu Vigraham, Bhakta Vatsalam Stitam, Samasta Loka Vigraham, Vinikvanan Manognya Hema Kinkini Lasat Katim, Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. I hope you are getting hold with the fourth line. We'll go with the fifth stanza. Dharma Setu Palakam, Dha stress, Dharma Setu Palakam, Tva Adharma. Dharma is a religious, the righteous path. Adharma is the opposite to that. So make sure that you say Tva Adharma. You don't say Tva Dharma Marganashakam. So it is telling that to destroy the Adharma. So we should not mispronounce to destroy the Dharma. Okay? Dharma Setu Palakam, Tva Adharma Marga Nashakam. Nashakam or Nashanam. So we'll go with the Nashakam. Karma Pasha Mochakam. Susharma Dayakam Vibhum. Swarna Varna. Swarna N capital, Varna N capital, tongue tip astretch apapale. Swarna Varna. Kesha Pasha. Shobhitanga. B stress. Mandalam. It can be Mandalam or a Nirmalam in few text. Fourth line remains same. We'll repeat. Dharma Setu Palakam, Tva Adharma Marganashakam, Karma Pasha Mochakam, Susharma Dayakam Vibhum, Swarna Varna Kesha Pasha, Shobhitanga Mandalam, Kashika Puradhinatha Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. We'll go with the sixth stanza now. Ratna Paduka Prabhabi, Ratna Paduka Prabhabi, Prabhabi Bha stress, Bha Bhi, both the stress. Ramapada Yugmakam, Nitya Madvitiya, Nityam Advitiya, Nitya Madvitiya, Mishta, Nitya Madvitiyam Ishtadevatam, Nitya Madvitiya Mishtadaivatam. One single word. Nitya Madvitiya Mishtadaivatam Niranjanam. Mrityu Darpanashanam, Mrityu Darpanashanam, Karala, la tongue tip as which apapale, Karala Danshtra, shtra, like a rashtra, Danshtra, Mokshadam, It can be mokshadam, or few texts will say bhushanam. We'll go with the mokshadam. Fourth line remains same. Ratna paduka prabhabi Ramapada yugmakam Nitya madvitiya mishta daivatam niranjanam Mrityu darpanashanam Karala danshtra mokshadam Kashikapuradhinataka labhairavam bhaje. We'll go with the seventh stanza. Attahasa. When you say attahasa, T repeated twice or give a slight stress. Attahasa. Binna Padma. B stress. Janda Kosha Santatim. Janda Kosha Santatim. Attahasa. Binna Padma. Janda Kosha Santatim. Drishtipata. Drishti, yes, capital. Drishtipata. Nashta Papa. Similarly, Nashta Sha, yes, capital. Jalam Ugra Shasanam. Jalam Mugra Shasanam. Ashta Siddhi. Ashta, yes, capital. Ashta Siddhi Dayakam. Kapala Malikadharam. So in Ashta, yes is not in the capital. So please make it yes capital. In Drishti also, please make a yes capital. In Nashta also, please make yes capital. Okay. Ashta Siddhi Dayakam Kapala Malika Dharam Dhastras. Fourth line is the same. Attahasa Binna Padma Jandakosha Santatim Drishtipata Nashta Papa Jala Mugra Shasanam Ashta Siddhidayakam Kapala Malikadharam Kashika Puradhinata Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. We'll go with the eighth stanza. Bhuta Sangha Nayakam. Bhuta, bhu stress, Sangha, gha stress. Bhuta Sangha Nayakam. Vishala Kirti Dayakam. Kashivasa Loka. Kashivasa Loka Punya Papa Shodhakam Dhastras Vibhum. Kashivasa Loka Punya. Punya N capital. Papa Shodhakam Dhastras Vibhum Bhustras. Niti Marga Kovidam Puratanam Jagatpatim. Fourth line remains same. Bhuta Sanghanayakam Vishala Kirtidayakam Kashivasi Loka Punya Papa Shodhakam Vibhum Niti Marga Kovidam Puratanam Jagatpatim Kashika Puradhinata Kala Bhairavam Bhaje. We'll go with the last stanza, which is a ninth stanza. Ninth stanza actually talk about the Palashruti, the benefits of the shloka. Kala Bhairavashtakam. Kala Bhairava plus Ashtakam. Kala Bhairavashtakam. Pathanti, stress. Manoharam. Jnana Mukti Sadhakam. Jnana Mukti Sadhakam. Stress. Vichitra Punya Vardhanam. Punya N capital. Vardhanam. Stress. Shoka Moha Lobha Dainya. So here Lobha Dainya, it can be interchanged. It can be told Dainya Lobha. Okay. Shoka Moha Lobha Dainya. Dainya Lobha. Kopa Tapa Nashanam. Last line here changes. Te Prayanti. Kala Bhairavangri. Gri stress. Sannidhim. Dhi stress. Dhruvam. Dhu stress. So here before Dhruvam, there can be one more text that can be included, that is Naradhruvam. Few of the text as a Naradhruvam as well. We'll repeat. Kala Bhairavashtakam Patanti ye Manoharam Jnana Mukti Sadhakam Vichitra Punyavardhanam Shoka Moha Lobha Dhainya Kopa Tapanashanam Te Prayanti Kala Bhairavangri Sannidhim Dhruvam Sannidhim Naradhruvam. At the end, Iti Kala Bhairavashtakam Sampurnam. Now let's take it from the beginning. I'll take it with the tune but little slowly. Okay. ॐ देवराजसेव्यमान पावनाङ्घ्रिपङ्कजं व्यालयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादियोग्यवृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाब्दितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे शूलतङ्कपाशदण्डपाणिमादिकारणं श्यामकायमादिदेवमक्षरं निरामयम् भीमविक्रमं प्रभुं विचित्रताण्डवप्रियं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे भुक्तिमुक्तिदायकं प्रशस्तचारुविग्रहं भक्तवत्सलं स्थितं समस्तलोकविग्रहं विनिक्वणन्मनोज्ञहेमकिङ्किणीलसत्कटिं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे धर्मसेतुपालकं त्वअधर्ममार्गनाशकं कर्मपाशमोचकं सुशर्मदायकं विभुं स्वर्णवर्णकेशपाश शोभिताङ्गमण्डलं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे रत्नपादुकाप्रभाभिरामपादयुग्मकं नित्यमद्वितीयमिष्टदैवतं निरञ्जनं मृत्युदर्पनाशनं कराळदंष्ट्रमोक्षदं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे अट्टहासभिन्नपद्मजाण्डकोशसन्ततिं दृष्टिपातनष्टपापजालमुग्रशासनम् अष्टसिद्धिदायकं कपालमालिकाधरं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे भूतसङ्गनायकं विशालकीर्तिदायकं काशीवासिलोकपुण्यपापशोधकं विभुं नीतिमार्गकोविदं पुरातनं जगत्पतिं काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे कालभैरवाष्टकं पठन्ति ये मनोहरं ज्ञानमुक्तिसाधकं विचित्रपुण्यवर्धनं शोकमोहलोभदैन्यकोपतापनाशनं ते प्रयान्ति कालभैरवाङ्घ्रिसन्निधिं नराध्रुवम् काशिकापुराधिनाथकालभैरवं भजे इति कालभैरवाष्टकं सम्पूर्णम्. Here we complete the Kala Bhairavashtakam. If you find any doubts, any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you have found any kind of a mistakes that was purely unintentional, and my sincere apologies for any kind of a mistake that has happened in the video. I'm really sorry about that one, and I'll see you all with the one more lesson, one more video, one more stotram very soon. And really sorry for the background noise. Thank you so much. Namaskara.